is Midge Michaeliano, and for today's video, I will be showing you how to set up a chessboard. Before we set up a chessboard, let us have a look first at the structure of the chessboard itself. The chessboard consists of 64 squares, and the half of the squares are white and the other half are black. It is spread out evenly. By the way, half of the chess pieces are also white and the other half are black. The chessboard is the shape of a quadrant, which make it consist of 8 horizontal lines called the ranks and 8 vertical lines called the files. The horizontal lines are indicated by numbers from 1 to 8 and the vertical lines with the letters A to H. If you are a player with the white pieces, your chess pieces will be situated on the first 2 ranks, lines 1 and 2 at the beginning of the game. Whereas if you are a player with the black pieces, your chess pieces will be situated on the last 2 ranks, which is 7 and 8 at the start of the game. And now let's have the position of the pieces. First, place the rooks in the corners of the board. Rooks usually look like a castle towers and can move any numbers of squares horizontally or vertically, but they cannot jump over other pieces. Place the white rooks on squares A1 and H1 and put the black rooks on square A8 and H8. Next, set the knights next to your rooks. The knights look like horses and move in L shapes by going 2 spaces horizontally and 1 space vertically, or 2 spaces vertically followed by a 1 space horizontally. Put the knights on squares B1 and G1 and set the black knights on B8 and G8. Knights are the only pieces that can move over other pieces as long as the space it ends on is vacant. Next, put the bishops next to your knights. Bishops are the third tallest pieces in your chess set and move in a straight line diagonally. If you are a white player, place your bishops on C1 and F1 and put the black bishops on square C8 and F8. Bishops can't move into a square that isn't the same color as its starting square. Next, let's have the queen. Place the queens on the matching colors in the back rows. Queens are the second tallest pieces and can move any number of squares in any direction if the spaces are vacant. Put the white queen on E1 and the black queen on D8 so they're directly across from one another. Remember, the queen cannot change direction in a single turn. Next is the king. Set the kings next to the queens. Your king is the tallest piece in your chess set and the piece that you need to protect throughout the game. Kings can move 1 space at a time in any direction during your turn. Put the kings next to the queens to complete the back of the row of piece. Remember, you can't move your king into a space where it can get captured during the next turn. And for the last piece, place your pawns in the row in front of your other pieces. Your pawns are the shortest and the weakest piece in the game of chess. Pawns can only move 1 space forward toward your opponent's side of the board. Put 1 white pawn in each square of rank 2 and set black pawns in the squares of rank 7. Please note that the king cannot be captured. When a king is attacked, it is called check. And that's all for today. I hope you learned. Thank you for watching!